Well, hello everybody. Here, let me turn on my fancy dancy tracking device. I'm over here. I had to switch guns from hand to hand because I was getting a muscle cramp, and I should have shut the gun off and started back up instead of trying to pass it over. When I did, I was too close and I ran it right here. I'm just going to paint right over it. I'll wet sand it out. It's no big deal. Let me set the camera up here. I see it's following me around pretty good. Okay. I'm over here, people. The artificial intelligence in this thing's not working very good this morning. It's 10 o'clock. It's 6 p.m. somewhere, so I'm having a cold. The paint went on thicker than I liked. Following the directions. That's why I don't follow directions very well. This is an 8:1:1. This would be highly suggested to spray this with. I'm going to go down to a 2:1:1 and test it to see what I've got on the next coat. As thick as this went on, it's going to be a while before I can run another coat on it. I went 1:1 on that, had no trouble at all. So that's what I get for reading the directions. So I have to wait till she's almost all the way dry. I'm going to pre-mix all the paint so there's no hesitation in between stopping and starting. Just popping the cap on the cup, filling it back up, putting the cap back on it, and going with it. One thing nice about my fan setup, as soon as I quit spraying, I can wait about 2 minutes. Pop my mask off, everything's gone. I mean, as in gone. I got that fan coming across the workbench, not on the body of the car, just to get like a, you can feel the air turning, going it back around. It's picking everything up and sending it. It's a little light right here. There's some color shading coming through. That'll disappear on the next coat. Let me just turn off this tracker. Drop this thing down. Excuse me for a second. Fold up the tripod and make a stick out of it. There's why I ran it. I'm just going to paint over it. I'll lightly wait till it's totally cured out, then I'll get some emery cloth and wet sand it. No big deal. There's your Sebring package, all in metal. Boy, it looks even better with paint on it, don't it? Tail lights, original MG style. I'm gonna update on the lights on it. license plate holder. Naturally, you got your fill, your push button for your trunk, and you got your luggage rack. I took off the MG emblem. Why have that emblem underneath the luggage carrier? The luggage carrier was after the fact addition, so I just covered it up. I couldn't see spending $29 for a new shiny new one, and having the rascal looking good, looking good. See, these don't get painted. That doesn't get carpeted. This is painted. This down here may or may not have carpet put on it because of all the notches and stuff. I went ahead and painted it. I'll give it another coat. Probably just going to carpet it, the two sides for the side panels, and this carpet forward. If I do, I'll have to just inlay the carpet like this around all these cutouts. This is a noise muffler. Oh, look at that, forgot that. It'll get hit. It ran smooth in some places, and other places it didn't want to flow out. It got cooler, so the paint thickened up on me, which is exactly opposite what I was expecting it to do. So, 1 year of welding, grinding, altering the body. Body fill, sand it off. Body fill, didn't like it, sand it off. Put it on, take it off, take it off, put it on, take it off. About 3.5 gallons of body fill went on this thing. And I'll guarantee you over 2.5, 2 3/4 was sanded back off. Until I got the knack of working with it. So I just filled it in, and then I just got some 40 in a straight block and got myself a level playing field, and then she started coming together. She's a little light there. The wife says she's a little light dark there, which I know. I can touch in here. Not quite yet. So I'm going to relax for a few, and then I'm going to fire this thing up and go a second coat. And I'm going to probably go to a 2-to-1. This 8-to-1, that's over a half a gallon of paint right there, and I'm not satisfied with the finish. It's not flowing out. So I'm going to have to thin it down. The temperature's really good. I got medium reducer. I got all my ducks in a row. Sorry about that camera bobbing around there, but right now my mind's locked on this. So we're gonna let it go. Like, subscribe, hang in there. We are having camera problems.